Got a pocket full of cash and I'll pay for every cent.
What's up, dude? What you got going on? Just hanging out? Going back to take a swim?
Yeah, it's hot.
Go back and take a swim, I guess. No food up here. He came rolling up on me like I was gonna give him a donut or something. I ain't got nothing. You got green feet, dude. Swimming around in the water, turn your feet green. Too much chlorine, man. You're supposed to rinse off when you get out of the pool. Well, day one. Day one of Dio Returns. I'll talk a little bit about that show you saw. It's fucking awesome. So much production and the hologram and the energy and the vibe and fucking Pony and Ripper coming out and they're singing their ass off. Fucking band is insane. Fucking then you see the hologram happen. Fucking Ronnie right there, dude. And just fucking, I was completely captivated. Captivated. It was fucking rad. Now, having said that, let's get into the technology part of this. I also read today that drones are going to be used maybe in like a EDC type or ADC, whatever, the one where the people take all the drugs and dance to the guy pushing the fucking laptop. So the drones come out and they read people's faces and therefore adjust the music. Basically, the article I read said something along the lines of pretty much that's what's going to happen now in that. And there go DJs out of a job too. So now we're talking about technology. You still need the band to play the music. But that technology, man, that technology is pretty badass. Be careful, humans. Them machines are good. Hey folks, your old pal Doc checking in from a parking lot, of course, somewhere in Florida. I think we're in St. Petersburg. And today, myself, of course, my fellow compadres, Stevie here. Stevie, who just had a chicken sandwich from Checkers. What'd you think about that? Fish. There you go, if chicken was fish. And Mikey. Which came first, the chicken or the fish? And of course, Mike over there. And then Mike had a genius idea. Watch what Mike has a genius idea of we should hop in an Uber, go down the street 10 minutes and watch Godzilla King of Monsters.
Oh no!
There goes Tokyo.
St. Petersburg.
Oh, go Godzilla. Ow!